Told me he has been making this 麦芽糖 for his family has been making it for almost 3 generations. He's a 3rd generation right now. Good morning, Internet. This is Yan. Welcome to the channel. And in season 2, I promised to show you the China that you can hardly see in other channels. So today I am still in Yonding, but I am going to Ganji. Ganji, it's a circulating market, often within different villages. And this can only be found in remote rural area in China.
明天7天，明天赶集一样的介绍。
明天是最后一个，
今年的最后一个赶集，
最后一个西天，很热闹。
明天接上是吧？
我们要该办的过年了，要
可能你没时间了。
明天就这边嘛。
啊，赶集能看见什么呀？
年货什么都有啊。
那我明天过来。
就买对联那些啊。
我住红坑村。我等会儿我要把那个酒店再续一天，然后明天过来。So today I am going back to Guzhuxiang again, and there this market happens once every 5 days. Well, I hope I am not late because Ganji often starts quite early, often around 6 or 7, but now it's already 10. Looks quite crowded. It's very crowded. I've just parked my bike in front of the big Tulou. I think it will be fine. I don't have a lock, but I think it's quite safe. And now you see there are so many cars in front of Tulou because nowadays young people are walking in the cities. It's a spring festival. Everyone is coming back.
还没有回家，
还没有回家，明天回家。
明天回家。
嗯，
这边过年。
对，
Yeah.
我也去赶个集。
这边过年很好。
I met that grandpa yesterday. He lived in that Tulou, so he said hello to me. 你好呀。
走一走啊。
嗯，对，去赶集。So nice. They knew me. They are selling the livestock. That's a rabbit. Wow, the balloon is so romantic. And look, they are selling fish with a fish pound. Let's see what else they have. They really sell a lot of things that I've never seen. Oh, look at that! Look at that! 小哥，你那个是什么东西啊？是熟的吗？
熟的。好，这5个。
这上面是什么呀？
盐巴。
盐巴。
2块钱，2块钱。
好的。So he told me that they covered this egg with salt to keep it warm, and then they heat it up, and that's why how it is cooked. I've got 5. 啊，你做的？对
啊，是我啊，是做，我现在做3代了。
做了3代了。
我爷爷，我老爸我。
啊。He has some new customers, and he told me he has been making this 麦芽糖 for his family has been making it for almost 3 generations. He's a 3rd generation right now. 麦芽糖是用什么做的呀？
麦芽跟我们糯米发酵，像做红酒一样哦，那水呢？哦，这个也有。
哦。
好，干净给你拍哈，还拍帅一点啊。
拍帅一点。哇，麦芽糖，哇。 want a little bit of everything. It's very busy, so I stepped to the side and try a little bit of this 麦芽糖. Tastes like childhood. He said this one is the ginger sweet. Tastes gingery. There are also some strange plums I would like to try, like this one. And that's the waxberry, like a salted waxberry. 你们平时都怎么吃这个东西啊？
有时候泡水啊，
泡水吃啊？
吃也可以啊。泡开水，那个放这样子当零食很好吃。
当零食吃啊？
酸吗？还有泡水也很好吃啊，酸梅汤就是这样子泡出来的。
酸梅汤就是用它泡的呀？
就是用它泡的。
啊。
特别是这个草哦，吃的对人肠胃很好嘛。
啊。
你看它这些都是陈皮，橘子皮，像这个是车前草。啊。啊，你嫁到这边泡酸梅汤，
我过来玩，
过来玩啊。
对，也可以，没事。
They told me like they eat it like this. It's made of a plum with salt, sugar, some herb, and it's very beneficial for the health. It's quite sour. Many people came with their big motorbike for shopping. For example, this uncle, his motorbike is loaded with pork skin, beef skin, and pig feet and beef. Everyone is preparing for the Spring Festival. Oh, those are the frozen meat, rice noodles, some more vegetable stand. I guess this is the self-made, some kind of a sauce or pickled vegetables. There are a lot of different kinds. This one is chili paste. This is a soybean paste, oranges. Here it's very famous for its orange. Butcher shop again. Oh, some more tea. In this stand I want to buy some oolong tea, and the price is very, very cheap. So it's like 30 per kilo. I just want 10 kuai of the green tea. So normally for the old people, they don't really have WeChat, so I'm giving them cash. Thank God, I still have some cash with me. 谢谢你啊，新年快乐！新年快乐啊！恭喜发财啊！恭喜发财！恭喜发财！还没。A street full of different medicines and dried food. This is a red date, a dried date that is quite sweet. Oh, and this 灵芝. It's a kind of a Chinese medicine. They said it's good for cancer. 多少钱一个啊，大哥？那个一斤是90块钱一斤。90块钱一斤。This one is 90 per kilo. It's not very expensive. So I think people on this market, they are mostly very honest. In this shop, they are making things on the spot. There is noodles and also dumplings. So this is meat filling and 玉子包, 玉子饺, and the dumplings. And here, apparently this shop is very popular. So crowded. There are noodles of different shapes. Some are thinner, some are thicker.可以了啊，等会儿再拿一个吧，5个，谢谢。啊，可以亲下边。Those pears looks interesting, so I got some. 3块钱是吧？好的。I've got the pears. I have to find a place to try that. To try all the food that I've got. I have just done a lot of shopping and now I found a place next to the street here in a house that is under construction, and I want to show you some of the food that I've just bought. So firstly, it's this pear. I tried it yesterday and I really like it. It's like a marinated pear. The lady was asking me if I would like some soup because they also love the soup. Ginger candy, plums with orange peels. So this is the wax berry, also sweet and sour, very good for your appetite. Fa gao, it's like a rice cake with yeast, so it's very spongy look. 很好吃。鹌鹑蛋。很好吃。可以要一碗那个牛肉鲜汤吗？ Today I've got a beef noodle with some beef and the meatballs, and this is the fried pork and the chicken wings, and I am going to enjoy my food. So this is also the end of today's video. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope that you felt the festival. 对，拍视频。Hello. And I hope that you've already felt the festival atmosphere of the New Year, of the Chinese Spring Festival. Thanks for watching, and 新年快乐，恭喜发财。